So ever since I've had my trailer hitch installed on my Tesla Model 3, I've had a ton of questions about what you can actually tow with the Tesla Model 3. So in today's video, I'm going to show you my trailer setup, how I've wired it, and some of the safety features that I make sure I use every time. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you head down below and smash that subscribe button. So if you're new to the channel, my name's Travis and I love to film unboxing videos of cool new gear that I get for filmmaking and photography. If I ever go someplace cool, I'm definitely going to film a vlog about it. When I learn new things in Adobe Premiere Elements, I'll film a tutorial. And if I'm ever doing any DIY projects around the house, including assembling IKEA furniture, I'll definitely film those too. And of course, if I ever do anything to the Tesla, I'll film a video about that too. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you head down below and smash that subscribe button. So when you're towing with your Tesla Model 3, there's a couple considerations that you have to take into account. First, what type of trailer hitch you have. Is it a Class 1, a Class 2, or a Class 3? I actually have a Class 2 trailer hitch with a 2-inch diameter receiver. So that will allow me to tow more weight, but the car and the hitch itself recommends 2,500 pounds. So even though the hitch class might be higher, you want to make sure that you know how much your car can tow. And I've tried to find information on the internet for the Tesla and they really don't give a lot, but basically you want to stay within 2,500 pounds. The other thing you want to take into consideration is the tongue weight. You want to make sure that the tongue weight of the trailer you're towing doesn't exceed 250 pounds. And the receiver should tow your trailer parallel to the ground. So it shouldn't be higher and shouldn't be lower. It should be parallel to the ground. So as you can see with the Reese receiver that I have, it's the perfect height to keep the trailer parallel to the ground. The next thing you want to make sure is that your safety chains are crossed and hooked up. And the last thing you want to do is test out the lights and make sure they're working. So a little trick that I do is turn on the parking lights in the car and then turn on the four-way flashers. And that way you're going to make sure that all of your lighting systems are working correctly, including the signal lights. So since the visibility out of the rear isn't very good, I definitely like to activate the camera system so that I can see what's inside my trailer. Also makes it easier when you're lining it up to hook up your trailer as well. Plus you have the side cameras now as well, and they give you a view of the trailer while you're turning a corner. So definitely a good idea to set. So one of the other things I do like to do while I'm driving with the trailer is change the vehicle into chill mode. So under acceleration here, I usually set this to chill. And if I'm ever stuck or I need a little bit extra power, you'll also find the slip start is in this menu as well. I haven't had to use it yet, and I've actually taken the trailer into a few different places where there were ramps and sand, and the Tesla handled it perfectly. And then one last thing you want to take note of from a driving standpoint is the regenerative braking. The Tesla is actually really good. I think it adjusts itself based on the weight of the trailer after a couple blocks, because you'll notice that the first time that you let off the gas, you'll feel the trailer's kind of pushing a little bit. Actually seems to help out the regenerative braking. But once you've driven a few blocks, you won't even notice the trailer is behind you anymore. It seems like, I don't know if this is true or not, but it seems like the regenerative braking actually adjusts to the weight of the trailer. I think that it actually helps it because there's some weight behind that's pushing forward to activate the regenerative braking, but I honestly don't know the answers. If I ever do tow the trailer for a long period of time, I'll pull up the graph on the Tesla and I'll record it and see what we come up with. So now you know that your Tesla Model 3 is fully capable of towing around all kinds of your toys, provided they're under 2,500 pounds. So if you like this video, make sure you head down below, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this one, smash that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy out there.